Good morning, my name is Mark Gush. I'm Head of Environmental Horticulture. I'm based here at Wisley at the RHS. I lead a team of scientists with specializations in water management, in soil science and in plant physiology. And today we're going to be talking about peat. As you know, the RHS is committed to be 100% peat-free by 2025. This means that in all its operations, the RHS will exclude any use of peat, not just at retail, but in its gardens, at its nurseries, and in all its propagation exercises as well. So there's three principal benefits of peat bogs and in preserving them and protecting them. First of these is that they are a carbon sink, a very important carbon sink. A 1 hectare area of peat bog with a peat depth of just 30 centimeters is the equivalent of 1 hectare of Amazon rainforest, trees and soil combined. UK peat bogs store approximately 3 billion tonnes of carbon, which is it's a fantastic amount. So that perhaps gives you an indication of just how important they are in terms of carbon storage and a carbon sink. The second major benefit environmentally of these peat bogs is that they support a very diverse range of fauna and flora, including a unique combination of birds, animals and invertebrates. It's obviously important from a biodiversity perspective to preserve those habitats. Biodiversity loss is another key environmental challenge facing the world today. The third critical environmental benefit of peat bogs is that they essentially act as giant sponges in the landscape. They capture rainwater, they release it slowly, thereby preventing flooding and regulating water resources and water flow in the landscape to a very important level. Historically, peat bogs have been drained. They have to be drained in order to be able to have access to the peat. During this draining process, the peat dries out. And in that process of drying out, oxidative wastage takes place where the carbon within the peat moves into the atmosphere and contributes to greenhouse gases and the climate change challenges that we face today. The RHS has long been aware of the importance of peat, of course, and has been phasing out peat use over decades, in fact. 10 years ago, the RHS started a trial here at Wisley, at the Field Research Facility, looking at a range of different organic matter applications that are peat-free and compared those with peat-containing applications. And they've monitored soil moisture levels, soil pH conditions, plant growth, soil composition and chemistry over those 10 years. And the outcomes of that research have shown conclusively that plants can be very effectively grown in peat-free grow media. Later this year, as you know, in Glasgow, UK will be hosting COP26, which is a very important meeting for climate change organisations around the world. And as the UK is hosting this particular convention, it's important that the RHS shows that it's leading by example together with the UK, and that's one of the reasons why the RHS is so committed to being 100% peat-free by 2025.